lowered the landing gear. As she approaches the runway, she will decelerate to about 150 miles per hour, enabling the F-16 to stop in less than 3,000 feet if necessary. And its ability to take off at relatively short runways, you have a fighter that can operate from thousands of airfields in virtually every country in the world. While today's demonstration shows you how well the F-16 can maneuver in combat, what we cannot show is its striking power or accuracy and lethality of the weapons it carries. The Viper can hit targets well outside of visual range while flying faster than the speed of sound. Coupled with innovative, motivated, versatile, and adaptable airmen, the United States Air Force F-16 Fighting Falcon is applying new capabilities and technologies never before employed on a fighter.
As a proud member of an all-volunteer Air Force, we hope our performance has inspired you to serve your country alongside the professional men and women you see here in action today. Either flying in the cockpit of an F-16 or on the ground guaranteeing its readiness to fight. On behalf of the United States Air Force, the Command of Air Combat Command, General Mark Kelly, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command,